Oh, and it leaks. It's leaking. So I'm hoping, ideally, because she is a tennis player, and this has, oh, the foundation also has SPF in it, so I think a lot of these products are meant to be sweat proof. But I'm very excited. Apparently this one is buildable. I did not realize this was buildable, so we shall see. I think next week I'm gonna upload a video of me testing all of this stuff out, like doing like a full makeup routine with this stuff, because if any of it doesn't work, I can return it, or I can see how I can use it otherwise, or like if I can use it in like a different way, or maybe I'll ask my mom if she wants any of it, because she is a very natural girly, but a lot of the products I bought are things that she would like buy on her own, so we shall see. But yeah, so I'm excited about these ones. I did also get some stuff from Fenty. Oh, speaking of, I did also get some stuff from Fenty. This is the Liquid Kilowatt. I have her lip glosses. I haven't owned, and I haven't bought any other products from her other than this one, or other than her lip glosses, so I'm excited to test this out. I haven't really ever used liquid highlighter. I have a jelly like duochrome shimmer product. I don't know, it's from ColourPop. They're really cute. I have like 6 of them, but I sometimes use those as highlighter. I love using those as highlighter. They sit really well too. Like once they dry down, they like, as highlighter, it does not move. So I do like using those ones because some of them are like natural and then some are a little bit like out there, so those ones are good to use. But that's kind of it. I decided to get the Urban Decay All Nighter, but I got the vitamin C one. It's vitamin C cactus flower water all day wearing hydrating long lasting makeup setting spray. This is also the mini, I believe. A lot of these are minis. Some of them are just small products, so like Clutch, but a lot of these are minis. I intentionally got the minis because it's, you know, travel easy. I also used to use this product religiously in high school. I stopped using it because I have other products I use for my brows, and I also I'm really into gel right now, which is very easy to do. But this is the Precise My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5 Neutral Deep Brown. Yeah, I love this stuff. I've used it forever, and I think that one is smudge proof or waterproof, so I'm hoping I can like, because a lot like some of the products I was like, oh, because I live right next to the beach, I was like, oh, it'll be nice if I can like go to the pool or go to the beach or something, or I can like do my makeup near like going to like somewhere near the water, because I think it's really cute when people are able to do their makeup, and I think it's really impressive when they do waterproof makeup that doesn't budge under any circumstance. I think that's crazy. I think it's insane in the best way possible. Like, I find that to be so impressive. I want to know how you do it, and I respect the skill set. I got a Laura Mercier. It's a mini, but it's a translucent powder. I did not want to spend the amount of money that the SPF translucent powder cost on Ulta, and this one was cheaper, so I've never owned Laura Mercier. I know that it's a very, very nice, I think it's luxury skincare and makeup, so I'm excited. I don't typically own nice things. Oh yeah, and then this one, if I don't like this one, I'll see if my mom likes it, because my mom loves this brand. She was just like telling me today about I think it's like a concealer, like a tri concealer thing that they have on sale right now. But I got this sun blush from It Cosmetics in the shade Sun Warmth. I thought this was a little bit different. It looks like a very, like, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm hoping this will be more of like a blush tone than a bronzer. If it ends up being a bronzer, I'm not mad. I'm gonna just get rid of the contour thing that I got, because I do not need it then if this works. But I've been like excited for this one. This is like the main thing I've been thinking about since I've like gotten my packages. The final box. Okay, I got them. I thought I didn't get them and I was about to be upset, but Fenty, if you spent a certain amount, and Win Beauty, which is the Serena Williams line, if you spent a certain amount, you got free bags, and I got the bags, and I'm excited. I kind of sort of forgot some of the stuff that I got. Face mask kit for when you're like flying on the plane. So I'm going up to NorCal. I fly out, and then I come home, and then I have court the next day. So I was like, this sounds like it would be good because I want to look my best in front of the judge so they respect me because I'm 24 and I'm horrified to have to go in front of a judge even though I am the plaintiff. I was also excited about this one because this one I just got to like carry in my purse, but it's really pretty and like kind of cute and it was expensive, so I was like, why not? I don't want, like, treat yourself, as Donna and Tom say. Treat yourself. Like SPF on the go kit. It is a sun shield glow on the glow sheer stick, sun shield body glow SPF, and then a sunscreen. So there's like a stick, a liquid, and a lotion. Also, don't mind me, there's a box behind me and a box to the left of me, and I keep forgetting which box is where. Okay, don't mind this. I'm not showing this because oh, and it leaks. It's leaking. Another thing, I hate that brand. I can't stand that brand. If you like that brand and you believe that it's good for you, they're lying to you. In good faith, they're lying to you. The amount of estheticians and dermatologists and people that have told me it's so bad for your hair and skin. I do not like that brand. I do not enjoy that brand. And it's leaking, so it's on so many things. I'm kind of upset. I needed to return that anyways. I bought it like completely on accident. I didn't know it was in my cart. So now I'm excited to return that because that sucks. I'm excited. Oh, I have been excited about this one. My mom and I have been using Beekman for years. So when they moved into Ulta, I was like, oh, nice. Like I'm not mad about that. This is a SPF primer. It says that you can use it like on its own or under makeup. I love this brand. This was more expensive than I'd like to admit, but this is also the travel size, so, you know, I also will not be tossing that because I think it's made of glass and I don't want it to break because it's really nice. I've been doing my own nails for a while now because I used to bite them religiously. I kind of bit them again the other day, so I started doing my own nails, and I've been using a, like, 7-in-1 Miracle Coat as, like, a base and top coat. It is not a base and top coat. My nails smear, smudge, they do not set. So I finally got a 2-in-1 base coat, so I'm excited. I'm really, really hoping that this works. This is a quick dry time. Ooh, fortifying, strengthening, hardens, and protects colors and nails. And it's made with bio-sourced plant-based ingredients. If this works, it is going to make doing my nails so much better. I'm sorry, hold on. Okay, I was going to show you these brushes, but I got this. The imaging for this bottle compared to what I got and the price for this, I thought that it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna be closer to this size than what I'm looking at. Like, do you see the difference? Fenty, I feel like I just got done dirty. These Droplet Olive Glow Enhancer. I don't know. This is also something you can wear barefaced or like under foundation. Also, travel brushes. This is like a 2-in-1. It's a dual-ended, and then this one is just a mini. Well, this is like just like a mini brush kit from it. So this brand has skincare in it. It's called Purr. I was like browsing through them on Ulta, and I kind of want to try more of their stuff because it looks really interesting and they're pretty affordable. But this is their 4-in-1 foundation stick. I got it specifically for contour. So I'm excited to see how this works, but it's meant to be good for your skin. And it has hydroxy acid in it. And then it tells you to use sunscreen with it, which is fine because I have SPF products I plan on using anyways. Travel deodorant. I don't know, it's just cute. I have like a big deodorant I carry with me, and I was like, maybe a travel one would be nice. Ooh, concealer. I may have gotten a shade too dark. See, this lighting is very bright. We will explore this together in next week's episode. Oh, these are so cute. These are from Bobbi Brown. They're mini ombre eyeshadow sticks. I sat for like 3 hours between these and like these ones from like It Cosmetics. So I'm really hoping I made the right choice because this looked like a strong silver, in which I was not. We will explore these together on next week's episode. This was like the free gift that you got when you spent with Benefit. So it's their 24-hour brow setter, 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. I just genuinely love brow gel, and I struggle with finding a good gel, like clear gel. Tinted gels aren't really an issue because I can work with those and I can see the color, but the clear gel doesn't really ever seem to want to like stay put or hold its shape. So I'm really hoping that one will do it, because I have a laminating gel that I use, and that one is like 50-50. I feel like I'm either like over applying product or I'm not working it correctly, but like it really like does not want to sit down, and when it does finally sit down, my brows are like not the shape that I had set them at. So, but I also don't typically, I'm like new to the brow lamination and all that. Oh, okay, I'm excited. Oh, okay, I got this. It's a daily moisturizer spray from Sunday. It's for my hair, but it's meant to be like it's like a frizz control hair hydrator, and it's meant for people with curly hair. So I'm excited because my hair tends to like frizz and stay curly in one area and go straight in the other when it starts to get kind of dry. So I'm hoping it'll maybe like zhuzh my hair, make it look all nice when I'm like out and about. I've used this before. I love this body scrub. It's from Truly. I don't actually know how big this is, but it's like a lip and like cheek tint. Is it a tint or a stain? It's a lip and cheek stain, and I don't typically use stains because I used to mess around with them when I was little, and I found out the hard way a lot. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Benefit has their like, so they have their tint, right? Like they have their cute tint product, and then they're like, oh, they have this like cute little carry travel bag, so like you can put your tint in it. And I was like, it'd be cute because you can put like tint, mascara, and probably like a perfume stick or something. Like you can make it very like easy, like on the go if you're like gonna stay at your like girlie's house or something like that. I thought this was going to be slightly bigger though, so I may not. This may just be a blush and lip tint until further. I can fit a mascara in there. And then it comes with a little chain too, so you can like carry it over your body, but like it's so cute and tiny. Misleading. It was like a free thing. It was like if you spent $75, you got like a free tool. You got like a free beauty kit with it. Too bad there's that body scrub on it. It's a 26-piece like gift set that they gave you complimentary. They did not disappoint. Look at the Cetaphil cleanser. I can combine this with my nice school kit. Oh, and my last two things, my gifts. Oh my god, sorry, this is so gross. They're like, the plastic is soaked in that sugar scrub. Oh. It's a cute little Fenty tote, and then it has a little Fenty bag that comes with it. And then this is the Window Serena bag. Where do I go from here is such a valid question. Okay, so now that I've unboxed everything, I will check back in with y'all in like 2-3 hours, and we'll go through my face routine. I'm also missing products now that I'm thinking about it. I'm very much so missing certain products. I did not get certain things, so I'm gonna go investigate that, but I'll check in with y'all in a little bit when I do my nighttime skin routine, so y'all can see that. Hi friends, thank you so much for watching the second part. Next week I will be uploading my skincare routine that I talked about, and I think I'm also gonna upload a makeup look using the Serena Williams products and like the stuff that I had got for like if I want to go to like the beach or kind of like a more sweat-proof look. So I think I'm gonna be well, I know for sure I'm uploading that one. I haven't decided 100% on the makeup look yet. And then I'm also thinking of doing something a little fun with the makeup look, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, please. If you didn't, feel free to dislike it, leave a negative review, whatever you feel you want to do. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, that's not an automatic light. I don't know what I did. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to add me on socials too, I'll have those linked down below. And I hope you'll have a great night. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. Have a baby by me.